Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to share threads on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to share threads on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using threads and not sure how to share threads on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to share threads on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sharing threads on Instagram is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will share threads on Instagram. First of all, open Threads app in your mobile device, and now here is my thread home screen. And then I want to share this thread on my Instagram. So first of all, click on send icon under this post, and then click on post to feed. And now click on arrow icon in the right top corner and click on next, and now click on share, and now your thread has been shared on Instagram. So there you go. If you were wondering how to share threads on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.